So now we've got to think a bit harder because we've got three amounts. So we've got Dora's money, Jack's money, Whitney's money. Well, let's look at the first question together. So we have, who has the most money? So who's got the most amount? Who's got the biggest amount? Who's got the largest amount? Now for this, the first thing we need to look at is the pounds. So whoever's got the most pounds has the most money. So we have £5, £6 and £2. Which one's the largest number? 6. So Jack has the largest amount of money, or the most money. Because it says who has the most money, we have to give a name. We don't have to write £6.48. You have to write who. So our answer is Jack. So then it says, how much more does Dora have than Whitney? So we don't need to think about Jack for now. We need to get rid of Jack. Dora, Whitney. Dora's got the most amount of money because she's got £5 and 23p. So let's show that. So we can have 5 £1, 20p. Can't have a 3p, so we've got to have 2 plus 1 pennies. So then we take away this £2 and 2p. Take it away. We've got 1, 2, 3 pounds, 20p, 21. So £3.21. That is how much more Dora has than Whitney. That is the difference between Dora and Whitney. So there you go, your answer, £3 and 21p. So then we are looking at Jack and Dora. How much more does Jack have than Dora? So we've got £6 and 48p. So let's get a number line, get ourselves to £6 and 48. Now, it'd be really easy for us to get to almost 23, because then when we're at £6.23, we can just take away a pound and then it's £5.23. So if we counted back from 48 to 23, well, if we had 8 and took away 3, we would have 5. 4 take away 2 is 2. 2 tens, 5 ones is 25. So then we can just literally take away the pound. So Jack has £1 and 25p more.